So this one, bro, this one for the voltage purposes, getting the voltage from the data locker to check the how much voltage we are applying. Normally we are applying voltage to here, so we want to make sure that how much voltage it's getting. So it's useful to get the voltage what we are applying to here data locker. So we need to connect this voltage data locker to this one, check the data locker. Okay. Then this one was accelerometer. I think you're familiar with it now. But here, always you have to use first one. Here, this one is the primary one. This one is the primary one. Because this accelerometer, no, accelerometer or strain gauge you can use. This one is the primary one, so you have to put always number one.
Oh.
Always make sure, okay, number one.
Okay.
And here, yes. And here also one signal is there. Here we are using 5 wires, okay, when we are using accelerometer. So we need to connect according to this 1, 2, 3. I think you know that.
Yeah. I already know.
Yes, that's okay. For this one and this one. So here, so we can't directly connect it to the computer. Okay, this both. So we need to connect in between. So here, so we have to connect the LAN cable from out to in. So this one should be out and this one should be in. This main one should be out like this. So here it should be, you need to connect like this. Out.
Into the second one.
Yes, into the second one. This one is the voltage one.
Okay. Okay. This one in.
Yes.
This one in.
And you have to remember that this one is number 2, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Then other thing, here you can see, so this one is accelerometer voltage. So this one for applying voltage to there. So applying signal, voltage signal to there. So here, so always you have to remember that always you have to put ground here, ground, because this one is voltage control, okay? So it will affect much. Here also you need to control, you need to apply ground 1, and here also you need to apply ground 2. Here also you have to apply ground 3. 1, 2, 3, and this one is the main one, okay? You have to apply the ground here also, number 4. So totally 4 ground should be there. Now how many grounds are available?
Those 3, right?
3.
We need one more.
So here we can use 1, 2, 3. So we need additional for that one also. Additionally, we need only one.
Đối với bên về để con đào không mình tự nhiên nó phải đào đúng không? How can I pause the video? Can I pause the video?
Yes. You can stop and you can do it.
Like this?
Yes.
มิเตอร์ว่ะตัวล่าง
จริงๆต่อได้4
ถ้าเราอยากได้5
ถ้าอยากได้5ก็ต้องไปหาตัวมา
Now
ไม่ก็คือเอานี้มาพ่วงอีกนะ
The
ไป
ground
ถึงอินเอาว่ายังไงอีกอะ
ก็
เอามา
Do you need something?
เอามาอินอย่างเงี้ยนะ
do you need something?
มันต้องมีกล่องขาวอันหนึงอยู่นะ หรือว่ามาต่อกล่อง
Here you can
You can-
attach the ground like this. Okay, there's one hole is there. You can attach like this.
โอเค
So here, so you can connect other one using like this. So first you have to connect like this.
Thanks for this.
So here we connected both grounds, one wire. Then I plan to connect only one ground here. Only one ground here.
So that is also possible to
Yes.
do like this.
Yes, yes, all are connected now.
Mm.
So now we connected to ground. That those are the main thing. So you have to make sure that it's properly connected. It's properly connected. No? Yes. So other one of the main thing is this one. But here we have only one.
What do you want to do with it?
Yes,
Should
yes. We can use this one to this NI left, you know. Okay, everything is connected here. So I can connect.
It's going to be on YouTube.
แล้วไอ้เครื่องล่างชแนลหนึ่งน่าจะทำ
ไหน
ไม่ได้ใช้ตัว
เยี่ยกลับเอาเร็วอ่ะเรคคอร์ดเอาดีครับเด็
You
No,
didn't
no.
show. He didn't show how to cut. He didn't show. He don't show the secret.
he did some secret so professional เลยนะ
Later we should ask him to show us.
So connect properly, okay? Because this one is one of the main thing. So I connected somewhat. Then we can use here. Yes. Okay, we connected ground to here for the voltage in LFU, the applied signal. So this one is one of the main thing, okay? This one too, we connected ground. The other one left is here, this one. So actually, when you are giving electricity, always give power supply from UPS for this one and this one. There are 3 slots on there, okay, in UPS. Take one UPS, so connect to the UPS this one directly. One slot, the second slot is this one, third slot connect this one, because you want to use lot of cables. So third slot you have to connect this one. So always use UPS for direct connection for this one, direct connection for this one.
Actually, 2 and this one for additional.
Yes,
2
one.
directly and 1 for.
Yes, one for optional. Then from this one you can give electricity for this one and this one, and other things for this one, monitor, everything you can give. Okay, so now the main thing here, this one. For this one,
Where's your leg?
here,
Oh, that's
So-
maybe.
you have to always make sure that. So there are two checks are there, okay? One is big check. This one is small check. Other one is big check. So for the big check, we need to connect all 6 cables.
No.
Okay, I think there is one.
But there are 7.
No. Main cable, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Main cable, okay?
Okay.
So if you want to connect big jack to use that pump, you need to connect 6 cables. Here I have 3 cables. In additional 3 also there. Here there. Additional 3 also there. No? So you have to connect that to control that. Same thing. Applying load or displacement like that.
Alright.
But we have those things, those nodes also. But in our case, we are using small jack, okay? For shake cable, small jack.
Only.
So only for 4, 5, 6. Don't change the cables, okay?
Okay.
This is the thing. If you change the cable, it will damage. Only 4, 5, 6. Here we need to connect, and here we need to connect, and here 1, 2, 3. Here we need to connect, and here we need to connect. Here, and data cable LAN 1. That's all. So I'll connect for you. You can see. So firstly, I
Hold it up.
Okay, madam.
Thank you. You don't work much.
Yes, madam.
firstly, but come close.
Come closer.
Another madam.
No, not like that. Bro. So one of the major thing, ground. I am always concerned about ground. Okay, apply ground
But
first.
there are 2.
This one for the other jack. Jack also I am applying them. Same thing. For the jack also, it's earth is directly going. For this one also, earth is going directly. Same thing.
Results from the web.
Okay. Don't worry, my phone.
Okay.
Your girl call you. Your girl call you.
Not yet.
Which girl?
Okay, no? Okay, keep it. So,
Okay. Keep it.
so now for the shake table, we are using small jack for number 4, number 5, and number 6. So we have to make sure that which one is number 4. Number 4. So this one's upside is higher thing, higher distance, okay, higher length. So we need to okay, number 4 correct.
Directly, right?
Yes, no need to screw, okay, no need
No need.
no need screw. You are just attach properly, okay.
No condom also, right?
No. Okay, other one, number 5, same thing. This one higher distance. So put like that. Number 4, number 5, and number 6. Okay. Okay. Now I told you number 1 and this one.
What is that?
So that one also we need to connect. So here also higher distance is this one.
How did you identify which one is for who?
No, we know that from the setup.
No, I mean they have number or not.
Yes, they have numbers.
Okay, if they have numbers.
Yeah, number
Oh.
4, number 5, number 6. Okay.
Oh, alright.
Okay.
Good point. Good question.
And this what? 7 or what?
No. This one is one of the special port. No?
Oh,
So,
special one.
so you can easily identify that this one is different from others. So you can directly apply high distance for this one. How is that? Just put properly.
Solid.
Okay. It's okay. Put properly, okay?
Okay.
That's all. Then the last one. You can see
Yes.
four ports are there. Just put.
Put appropriately. Maybe with them.
So when you're putting, it's slowly going inside, okay? Then just slowly rotate.
We need to lock.
Now it's going inside already. When you put properly, then after that just properly lock. Now it's properly lock.
Let me check.
Yes, now it's properly locked.
That's your unlock.
I want to check and lock.
Unlock, yes, we have to remove it first.
Oh yeah.
Then you have, firstly go properly,
Let me see.
No, it's letting through.
It have some mark.
Yes. It has some mark.
Some dot mark over here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's like
This the last one here, right? And then
yeah. I think we should be careful.
no, you don't need to think about like that. So there are four ports are there, no?
we cut it off.
You just put it. It'll come close. So when you rotate, you will feel that it's going inside or not. Okay, now it's going inside. Okay, don't damage the port, but when you the upward, if you move, you know that. Now it's going inside. Then fix it properly. Okay, now fix it properly. Now all the ports are fine. The other one we need to connect this one to the with PC because
So
this.
far, so good.
So now we need to connect this one to the PC. Okay. So PC is the one we are applying. No, we are applying. We are controlling also. We are controlling this controller. This controller we are using. So here always think that here one external port is there. Okay. There are one other LAN port also there. This LAN port also there. You always this one socket for this controller. The additional socket. Don't use this one. Okay.
Okay.
Then it won't work. So you have to use the additional socket. This one.
What is the difference in this one?
This one is a normal LAN port, LAN cable. This one for the direct, the special port for this only.
Special.
So then you have to directly connect it to this one. Remember that, okay? Don't change this. You always connect it to the LAN one. If you put otherwise it won't work. There are 3 LAN ports are there.
Yeah.
So you always connect it to the LAN one.
Only one, right?
Yes, LAN one.
LAN number 1.
Yes, only
The
LAN one.
middle one, LAN one. Okay.
Okay, that's all. Now we need to just give the connection. This one is good, everything is fine. Other things are normal thing. Okay, now we need to put the connection to the power. As I told earlier, this one you need to connect directly to the UPS. Okay. But in our case, in this case, I didn't directly connect it. But when you are using
This
it-
one UPS. Where is the UPS?
What is this for? So one is for monitor, one is for CPU.
How about this one?
This one? No, just connected this one to the UPS. In UPS there are 3 ports are there. In 3 ports, one port for that, other port for this, other port for this one. Okay. So from this one you can apply. Okay. Now I don't have UPS. That's what I am directly using here. Okay. Now I am giving the current for all the controller, CPU, monitor. Now for this one, you can rotate and fix it properly. Always be checking. You always make sure that it's properly connected. Always make sure that it's properly connected. Just take it out and connect. First one is red, other one is green, third one black, then fourth one white, other one for the earth. So just double check. Okay, just pull it and
The color should say follow this.
yes, color should be the same. Don't alternate the colors. Okay. So everything is
How about for this one?
Which
All
one?
of them same.
Yes.
First red.
Green, then black, white. This is the word. Okay. Just pull it and
The
double
last
check.
one is
just for the earth, okay? That's not affecting. So always double check that it's properly. Then don't make it hang like this, okay? If you hang like that, there may be interconnection between those wires. So you better to connect it like this, okay? When you're connecting the accelerometer also, you have to keep like that. Okay. Now for the electricity for this, the voltage NLW.
What's the name of that one? And I love you.
Yes, NLW.
The same as the name of software,
What is the
right?
name of that?
Just say nine.
N9, no?
Same as the name of software, right?
Yes. They are the producer. Yes, I am giving the electricity for that.
National Instrument.
And what's that? Then we need to give the electricity for this one, okay?
Which
For
one?
two data locals. One is for the accelerometer, one is for the voltage. What about that?
What are you looking for?
We need to give power for this accelerometer data local also. So, fine.
How about the other one?
So, fine.
Wow, all of What they say?
I think so.
Yes, both are same. Because both are same accelerometer, no? Okay, now we are keeping power to everything, no?
Two of this is for this one. How about? Oh, this is for laptop.
What?
How about this?
What?
What is this?
For the inline.
Okay.
Okay, actually, this one should be number one, okay? Accelerometer one number one, this one number two, out, in. So you already connected, just put it.
Okay, I have a small question. Why does it have two numbers? You can see
So because of
bottom have two numbers, top have two
no,
numbers.
number one is the primary one. So we are making sure this one is the primary one. So this one is secondary one. So likewise, you can attach lot of data locals. That's what. So we are giving proper numbers. So this one number one, this one number two. Okay.
Alright.
So other one what? So other one, you have two cables like this to connect with laptop. So one is this one.
Where is the other one? USB. Not USB.
It's a polygon base.
Polygon.
So one is this one, other one is this one. Okay.
Oh, polygon. Can
You connect both to your laptop, right?
Yes. I need to connect this one to the laptop, and this one also I need to connect with the laptop. For this case, there are a lot of different types of NIs are there. So there are USB port NI also there. But this one is the LAN cable one. So you have to use a good proper LAN
we have
cable.
only one NI, right?
Make sure that your laptop
So you have to
have
use,
the LAN port, right?
yes, you have to use
Your laptop have any mic?
Okay. So without this, it won't work. So if the,
What is that?
that's the module. Yes. So here also sometime always double check that it's properly. You see, it's not connected. So always make sure that it's connected. Okay. See.
Which port?
Do not move much and the coil. What is the difference?
Positive
between 1, 2,
black,
3, 4,
positive
5?
black, positive black. Always positive black, okay? Remember that. So here also I am going to put positive black.
Don't move much.
So where can I get that screwdriver? Small one. So this one is properly connected.
Let me see. Okay.
Black color one is a positive one, okay? Remember that.
Alright.
So check the one.
What is the name of this battery?
I don't know. So here, so this large one.
Oh, that's a screw.
Yes. I'm making anti-clockwise, okay? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means going upward.
Mm-hmm.
Then I put it properly where I reach. Black is positive, okay? Black is positive. Yeah, black is positive.
The number L is
Yes, positive. Can you look?
Okay, I have a question. How are all of them same?
All of them same, yes, yes. I'm making clockwise to lock, okay? So this one is lock.
ดำบุกใช่ไหม
Don't move much. I will hold it.
หรอจริงไหม
Okay, now you also lock, okay?
Alright.
Lock.
so so which one negative which one positive
Zero is
Oh,
negative.
0 okay.
One is positive.
Positive always black, okay? Positive always black. See, I changed that. You ask me good question now.
No.
Always positive. Positive should be what's that?
Positive.
Black.
We follow
Oh.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. We also think so. It's correct, no?
เสียไปดำบุกแล้วแล้วมันมีส่วนตัวเลยปะมี
Yes, I think it's correct.
เป็นตามสีเหลือง
If here you can see it's a positive, okay? Positive black.
over there is have some note or not for the black or white
No.
positive or negative
I don't know.
You just-
Dr. Anawat told that black is the positive one. And don't remove this one, okay? Don't remove this port.
What's
Someone
that
already
one?
removed that previously, so don't touch that. Only
Which
get
one?
this one. Don't touch this.
Oh, okay.
Only you focus on here, okay? Now I connected. Yeah, put number 4. Here also higher distance. Is this one?
Try to rotate. Yeah.
Yes.
How about this number? Should be number 1.
Anything is fine. All of them. If you want additional, you can attach that, okay?
What is it as you want additional?
No, I'm just applying the voltage, no, only the voltage. So one is enough for me. So if you want additional ports, you can attach. But for this case, only one is enough. So you are applying only one for this one, no, controller. So only one is enough, purely. Okay. Butter port.
นี่ไง
Try to explain me.
black one is positive right
Yeah.
the white one
It's
is
negative.
negative
but if we switch the black become negative
hey madam right
But like on our WhatsApp. Like positive. Don't make it.
Which? That's why I told you, always use USB. Here there is no switch also there, no? This one for my laptop.
Why you
So now,
other things
no,
to your
no.
laptop?
Wait. I'll connect it later, okay? Not now. Firstly, I need to turn on the computer. We need to go in a proper procedure. Now what? Then we need to connect that one to there, no? So here, this one, we need to give that signal to that. So we need to give what? We need to put input. We have to put analog in. So, okay.
Wait, okay.
So we always need to connect. Don't touch here, okay? Don't move here, okay? So it will make loose connection for this. Always touch here from here. Analog in, just make sure analog in and put properly. Put inside and just lock it like this.
Okay.
Analog in.
มันเขียนว่าอะไรนะครับ
ไอ้นั่นล็อกอินนะ
อนาล็อก
เออ
อนาล็อกอิน
ใช่
It has a lock?
how to put it off อ่ะ
What?
How to take it off?
Take it out, the same thing. Firstly, you have to touch the top part,
touch at the tail อ่ะ
อ๋อ
or you have to rotate
rotate, and it's now loose. Then like this. Slowly take the cover.
again
Here you can see, one node is there.
อ่า
So you need to put like this. Firstly, put inside, then rotate like this. That's all. Don't rotate here, okay? That's all. Now what? Now another one more step.
What
As
is
I said
that?
earlier, I am applying the voltage, okay? The only voltage. So I want to make sure that what voltage I am giving. So I need to get that signal, what voltage I am giving. So from here we can get that signal from controller to data analog. So here also you have to make sure positive black, and always check the connection, okay? Here you can connect it to the monitor one. Here you can same thing like back side. Monitor one.
monitor 1
Yes. Because in the settings it already set monitor one as a voltage. So you can directly get the voltage signal.
Monitor one.
one นะ
Then here you can directly connect to the voltage data analog.
the secondary one right
Yes, you are correct. This is second one you have to connect.
Why you connect to this one?
What?
Channel one?
Yes, anything is fine. In the settings you can control that, okay? You don't need to worry that much. Channel 1 and channel 2 all are same. Channel 1, 2, 3, 4. But you have to connect from here.
Okay.
So
That's a little bit confusing.
why?
This one goes to like multiplication, not directly. Like this one.
No, I am just
Okay.
no. This one I am just getting the voltage what I am applying from the controller to here. So this one I am giving actual voltage to this. Okay. So one of the main thing is you need to put UPS connection directly for this one controller and in line. So third one you can connect it to this one and for other portions. So first one, then second one you already connect the ground for 1, 2, 3, 4 ground. Okay, so this one, other than that I explained it. So that one is analog key, so this one is also monitor 1. Okay, that's all. Now we can use the shake table. Okay, stop it. Explain. And I connected firstly the LAN cable. Okay,
Okay.
connect the LAN cable then I am not connected, I just turn on this, okay?
Oh, that's also a switch.
Okay, turn on this. Then after that I'm not directly connected to the USB. I just firstly I want to open the VMware first. Because this USB port only work in XP. VMware. Then only I need to connect it. You can turn on that. So come. So here you can turn on using this switch, okay?
How about this switch you turned on earlier?
So that will auto automatically.
Okay.
No switch is there. Switch is in the top.
What is that?
Somewhat updating things. Now it's connected, okay? Now I wish to connect two USB port for the data locker. One is for the voltage, other one is for the accelerometer. One. What about other one? So here I need to connect to the virtual machine, okay?
ออกแหละ
Both USB ports should be connected to the virtual machine.
อ๋ออันนั้นแค่เปิดวินโดว์ข้างหลังนี่เลย
ถ้าเปิดเป็นว่าเหมือนโปรแกรมมันไม่ทำงาน
Now what's new?
Firstly, we need to turn on this. That's the thing. That's the procedure. Here you can look into the administrator, passport admin, ADMIN. First of all, I'll try to change the CMOS battery, okay? CMOS battery is not working here. CMOS battery?
ซีโม
CMOS battery?
CMOS battery is a control of time.
อ๋อฮะ
So CMOS battery is not working, okay? I'll try to change that. Small CMOS battery. So after it's turned on, you first your place you have to change the time. If the CMOS battery is working, it's fine, but now its CMOS battery is not working. 2021.
First of all, we change it.
What is that? October
14, 15, 15.
15. What's time?
What is the time? Check that.
8:29. No. 8. Yes, 8:30. Yeah. Okay, this job is done. Now you can see. Now don't do anything there. Okay. Now you can see the service mode. The front panel is disabled. It's telling that it's disabled. Okay, you can't turn on directly. So this one is disabled. So for that, you need to go to this control management. First of all, you have to go to the controller management tool. Okay, here you can see this. Registered is yes. Okay, here the next controller mode is service. They are telling that service. Okay. So you have to change this boot mode as automation. Just change the mode, okay? Just change because this one is disabled now already. Because it's service mode now. So you have to change the service mode to the automation. So you have to change this, click automation. Okay? And just click reboot, that's all. Then it will
This one will be.
then only it will properly connected. Now it's service mode, okay?
Now it's what?
It's rebooting now. So always remember that you have to properly connect the LAN cable, okay? If you misconnect it, it won't work. Firstly open this and change the time and control management tool and go there. So it's showing the service mode disabled, so that's what I make it automation and reboot. So now it's making automation, then it will available for the connection. Now it's fine. Now it's telling that waiting for the system loader. Okay. So now I just close this. That's okay. You can save or not, that's fine. So you can directly click service loader. First one is control management tool and change to the automation. Then second one, it's waiting for the system loader. It's a proper step, okay? Then go to the system loader. Then it will properly connect it. Here, system load completed. So now after that, you can see the message like this, waiting for a station to connect. So now we are ready to connect, okay? Then after that, it's station manager. First one is control management tool. Second one is Windows loader, system loader. So third one is the last step, service manager, station manager. This is the last step. So now you can properly connect. So here, so I want to give the external signal, okay, external voltage using a LabVIEW. So you have to connect this 244.21 external, because I want to give the external signal now. So you have to connect this one. If you want to give sine function, cos function manually, you can open this one, 244.21.
What is the external one?
The external one, you can give sine function also, you can give manual function also. More than that, we can give externally voltage also. So external function have everything, including this external function has. So always recommend to give external function. I just open external. Okay. Now this is the main step. I'll explain very carefully. Okay, just close this. Okay, just close this. Okay, now what you need is, this is under control of this switch. Okay, their switch are working now. So I want to turn off this switch and I want to take control from this PC. So I don't want to use these switches. So I want to make control from this PC. So that's what I click exclusive control. Mean I am controlling from this PC. So I click exclusive control. Then interlock is there. So we need to reset that. Okay. We need to reset. Before that we need to go and turn on that pump. Okay, the pump.
Okay, let's go. Before the reset?
Yeah.
Okay. Just do it.
I just turn on. Then here red signal is there. You have to click reset. Turn on and reset. Okay. Yes, that's it. So now I am giving the power to this.
How about the water
But
pump?
I didn't turn on this. Okay. Now I am giving the power to that. No, I just want to close it and reopen. Still it's not turn on, okay? I just give the power only. Okay, now control management tool is fine, system loader is fine. Now it's waiting for station manager. I am clicking station manager. 241.21 external, okay? This is the file. So just okay, click OK. Now you are clicking exclusive control. Then interlock reset. Now it's working because now only I am giving power to that, okay? Reset. Then I plan to turn on that. I have to turn on that. I have to turn on the pump. After you have to wait, okay? After clicking, you have to wait for 10 seconds. Then the sound is changing, okay? Be patiently do it. And after 10 seconds, click this. Then wait for a 10 seconds like that. Don't be in a hurry. Then after that, jack. After 10 seconds, click this. Now I am ready to control from here. You can see, you can't control from here. I am ready to control from here. Then after that, you already turn on this switch, turn on the pump, no? Turn on the pump. That's a pump. You already turn on the pump using this.
From here.
Yes. After turn on, you have to always remember to go to the water pump to turn on the water to allow the flow.
Okay, that's
After
good.
turn on, you have to go there. After the sound is coming, you have to go there. Always remember to turn on, okay? Because it will get heat and it will burn. So after its sound is coming like this, pump. So there are two switches there. One is this, one is this. One is for pumping to that main pump. So one is to circulate the water, this small pump. Okay? Two pumps you need to turn on. One is this. Other one is a small pump to circulating. Okay? Small switch. Yes, only single switch, but you can turn on at the same time. It's not the individual one. Okay? Two switches are there. Then the water is circulating. Okay? So all this, remove this. This is a wrong procedure. Someone close this step. Okay? Okay. So you have to little bit open this to make sure that always water is there. Water is going from here, from there, then coming back also there, coming back to here. Okay.
Open a little bit this one, right?
So this one I just open it to make sure always water is there. So water is going here and come back. And from here it go down and rise. It's circling. Okay? So I just allow you to get water is coming. Here you can see the water is going to the small pump here to the main pump. That one from the jack is coming back using this pipe. Then it's going directly to there. Then it will fall down. Then circulating like.
Okay. This is okay? Let's go by.
Okay. So remember that there are two pumps are there, okay? Okay. Where is he?
Taking some photo of her.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Long.
Okay, what's next?
Now? Okay, huh? So firstly I set the time. Secondly, I go to the control management tool. Then system loader, then station manager. When station manager, I just go and turn on the pump. Then come back and click exclusive control. Then reset. Then I click this and wait for 10 seconds. I click this and wait for 10 seconds and click this. Wait for 10 seconds and click this 10 seconds. Now everything's fine. Now after that, now I turn on the pump from clicking this. Now it's working, okay? After working only, you have to go to the water pump and turn on. Before that, don't turn on, okay? This is the procedure. After turn on, the sound is coming. Now you go and turn on the water pump and coming. Now it's fine. Now water also circulating. So here you can see. After that, you have to go to the manual command. Manual command to apply the displacement, okay? Just go to the manual command. So here, enable manual command. Now you can see there is a displacement like 0.337. Just make it 0 first. Don't. So you can make it 0 like this. If it's so small one, you can make it like. Okay. Don't enter like 1, 2, 3 like that. Okay. Then it's like impact. So you can apply like this 0.1 like that. It's fine. 0.5, you can apply. 1, you can apply. Don't apply 10, 20 like that, okay? So maximum displacement is 70 mm. 70, okay? More than 70 mm, don't apply anywhere. Here 70 mm, backside 70
This
mm.
is the initial one, right?
Yes, initial one,
Should be 0.
yes. I just make it 0 now. Now it's 0, okay?
Okay.
Okay, no?
Okay.
Then I untick the enable manual command. Okay. As I said previously, here this one is the first one, okay? In first one, you can apply sinusoidal function. So you can apply here, the amplitude you can set. What is the amplitude you want? 20. And you can, okay, amplitude, I just 10 and 1 hertz, no, not 1 hertz, 0.5 hertz. Okay, if I set like this, you can start this, okay, you can start from here. The first one is a sinusoidal function, so you can start from here. You can show this.
It's just slightly moving.
So don't apply like high frequency, okay? High displacement is fine, but don't apply high frequency because there is a capacity graph is there, capacity graph. So I'll show you that with capacity graph for the displacement and the frequency. So now I plan to stop this, okay? Okay? Now I stop it. I go again and I check the enable manual command. Here there is one displacement is there now because of I stop it. So I just make it, it's 1.1, so I just make it 1. And I slowly reduce. Not like 0.5, 0.3 and make it 0. And I turn off the manual command. Okay, this is for the sample, okay? If you want only the display, if you want to apply the displacement, you can go to the manual command and apply the displacement, okay? That's one thing. The second one, you can apply the sinusoidal function or cosine function with the amplitude and the frequency you can apply using this. You understand?
Yes.
So after applying, you have to click this, okay? Start button.
How about for external one?
Okay. This is the first one, okay? Function generator, it's sinusoidal function. Don't apply this, okay? Always make it 0 here. Because if you, sometimes you may mislead click this start button, okay? This start button means ready to give the signal to the shake table. This start button means ready to give the signal to the shake table, okay? So before you click the start button, always remember that, okay? Before you click this start button. So this one, we are in the first case. What is this? This one sinusoidal function, okay?
Yeah.
So I just turn off the also, and then manual command also I turn off.
0.
Yes, I just make it 0. I just want to double check that 0, okay? So you have to turn off the manual command. Then only you can apply the sinusoidal function or external function. After you apply, you have to turn off the manual command. Then this is the first one. Second one is external control. Here you can see. Same thing. Same buttons are there. Okay, same buttons are there. Okay. Here the initially it's 0 mm. So initially it's 0 mm. Depending on that, we can apply the acceleration. Okay, now we stop. Okay, now we stop. When is there, so just go to the tools. No, go to the display. Okay, go to the display and scope. Always you have to turn off this. Okay? Turn on this. Okay. So go to the, when you go to the external command, display. Yes, scope. Always go there. Okay, always you have to do like that. Now, this start button is nothing. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, this start button is nothing. Just to show the graph. So this is nothing. Okay, this is nothing. So this one you can stop. This is just to show the graph, okay? So you can stop. This is, you can see the range if you're clicking this. This one is a voltage, okay? This one is a voltage, external voltage. How much I am giving. Here this is nothing, okay? This button is nothing. This one, so when you're clicking this one, it's showing that what is the range. So if you properly give good earth, okay? Good earth, then it should be less than 0.005. Like this.
How
like,
to know it's good earth?
because this, if it more than 0.001,
How to make it good?
it's a earth. You need to put a good proper earth. Okay?
Properly.
Yes.
Yes.
So one thing I am advising you always, okay? This one is like 0.005 now. If you find it's like 0.00005, not 0005, 005, okay?
Zeros. Okay.
If you find 005 or 0023, okay, 0023 like that, don't apply any voltage to this. It will hang like this and it will stop. Because it already residual voltage is there, then it will hang, because we have experienced that.
What did you do then?
Then after that it's very difficult. We call the technician to come. It's so always remember that. That's why I ask you to open the scope. Open the scope and check. Open the scope and check the external voltage. Okay.
What if it was high? What we can do?
But
What if it was high?
so
What we can do?
if it that much high, just close it. Okay. Close it and double check that.
The ground.
Yes, good.
Okay.
Double check the ground. Then come to the manual command, because voltage and displacements are coinciding, okay? There is a linear relationship is there, voltage and the displacement. So always come again and just put it 0 again. Just make it 0 like again, okay? Then untick this. You have to untick this, okay? Because using I don't need a manual command, so I am in the external command. I'll go to the scope. This one. Stop and play, okay? Stop and play and see the range. See? It's a good range now. Okay?
It's already should be
005 now is high.
No. Yes, this range 0.005, 0.1 also fine. It's acceptable because this is the range. You can see this is the range. 0.005 is the range. But don't go more than the limit, okay? 0.00125 is also 0.005 is too much, okay? It's majorly controlled. Even it's a residual, it's affecting a much. This residual is fine. It can handle. So now it's fine, okay? You understand that, no?
yeah.
Now it's fine. 0.005. It is good range. See, if it high value you're getting, just stop it and play it. Stop it, play. Stop it, play. Stop it, play. Okay, stop, play, and range. Stop, play, range. Okay, just close it and go here and enable manual command and make it 0 again. 0, like this. Then come back and go to the scope. Stop, play, and check the range. Okay. If it now it's fine, okay. I am acceptable this. If it high 0.005 like that, 0.00 now is somewhat increasing. 0.005 means
001 is okay. Or not?
yes, it's okay, because if it top value it's fine. If it comes to the second decimal, it's a big trouble is there. Okay. Third decimal 56005 is like the extreme problem. 0.005. It's somewhat good range. Always make sure the fourth decimal, okay? Like this. So if it higher, now I don't want to turn off this. Now I am okay with this value. If you are not satisfied, just close it, okay? Always close it. Close everything. Turn off this. Turn off the power. And check the ground first. Secondly, Secondly, you have to remove this wire, okay? You have to remove this wire and you need to cut it and put a new wire. So this one is old wire now. You have to cut it and make it new wire and put it. And they are
Maybe
also
have
like,
some dots.
yes, yes. They are also like that. You have to cut this, here. You have to cut this part and put the new section there. That is what you have to do.
Which one? Which one? This one?
this one
Yes,
yeah.
yes. This one we are connecting here now. You just cut it, okay?
Both white and black?
Yes, both. Cut it and put the new part of that, okay? New part. Take it and new part in there. That's the thing. Check the ground, then cut it and new part. Cut it and new part. Okay, no?
Do
Now-
we need for turn off and doing this thing? Do we need to turn off the other things?
Yes, everything you have to turn off. If it high voltage is a problem, okay? If it high voltage is a problem, always turn off everything. Turn off the switch, turn off that pump, everything. Water pump, everything you have to turn off. Now I am happy, okay? Now you can see the range. I am purely happy. Then I will come here.
Okay, let's go to the external.
I will come to I plan to apply the left view.
Don't show your hand on the camera. Try to use fingers.
I just want to use
If you want to point, use fingers.
here. So this one I develop the code, okay? Because I already explained, this is majorly controlled by the displacement, maximum displacement 70. So I am always care about that, okay? That's what in my N9WU code,
70.
I put the maximum is 70 and I put the factor maximum is 1. 1 no 0.5 or like that, okay? Maximum factor I am giving 70. So here I already set it, okay?
This 0.8, why this is 0.9?
No.
Factor?
Yes, it's a factor. 0.8 means depending on the function it's scaling, okay? So maximum is 70, bro. That's a small thing, okay? X is from the maximum displacement. Okay. So always controlling, I'll explain, this one is somewhat small code, okay? So you can use my code also, that's fine. So you can give only the maximum is 1. Okay, I'll explain later that's not in our case now. So now I plan to apply, here 0.8 I am giving, so I am satisfied. So I'll explain this, how this code derives, I'll explain later, okay? For this code derive, we need to use displacement data, okay? We need to use displacement data. From the acceleration data, we can convert to the displacement data. Then directly we can make it the Excel file. There is one format is there, okay? You have to consider that format, CSV file, command delimited file, then save that file.
That's a good point.
Then you have to give the sample number in the CSV file. How many samples are there?
In the Excel file.
Yes. Then what is the rate? What is the rate of signal I am giving? 0.01, 0.1 seconds, 0.02 seconds, like that. Okay. In the Excel file, 2 columns are there. One is time, one is displacement. Okay.
Okay.
Here. I will explain this one in somewhat detail. Okay. So here, configuration. This is the configuration. Then advanced timing. Here, maximum timeout, you have to consider the input signal you are giving. So here, I think it's like 150 seconds. So that's what I am telling. Maximum time can be allowed up to 200. Okay. So because my signal is less than 200 seconds. That's what I am giving like this. Then always remember that here generate motion should be don't allow regeneration. Always click that like that. If not, the apply displacement is there. Then if you don't click that, it will regenerate the acceleration. After finishing also, it will start again.
You never finish.
Yes, it never finish. So always click that don't allow regeneration. I need only one shot.
Okay.
Always remember that. That's the thing. From the acceleration history, I am getting the voltage, I am getting the displacement history. I am making the column time and the displacement. I am making CSV file, command delimited file. That's I am putting here, okay? Then from this, I am converting the displacement, I am controlling the displacement, maximum displacement. I am controlling the maximum displacement, I am converting the displacement to the voltage. There is a factor is there, we derived. So displacement to voltage factor is this one, 0.1328. So I am multiplying that factor, and finally I am getting the voltage signal like this. Okay, no? So from the voltage signal only I am giving to here. You can see after multiplying this factor, I am giving the voltage signal only. Okay? You understand?
Where did you get this node? You run quick and they have this node.
What is
You
this?
understand.
Yes, it's there. Select VA or somewhere, it's there.
Oh.
I never worked with LabVIEW.
It is this one. Here, DAQ assistant, okay?
But you need to connect first, right?
Yes, you have to connect this, so yes.
Okay.
You have to connect it, you have to put driver, proper driver. Okay? That is another step. So in this case, that's the major thing. I have the acceleration history to displacement history. I save the file, I control the displacement, I change this to the factor, to the voltage, I am giving the voltage to that. So that's only the thing. So voltage is limited to the 10 volt. Displacement is limited to the 70 mm. Okay? Okay, now it's fine, okay? Now I am in the fault stage, okay? The Drew stage, I use the same thing to double check that, okay? Only the fault stage is running to give the signal to there. Okay, you just move. Here you can see, I am so happy that, I am so happy. You have to be happy, okay?
Design is well done.
Huh?
Well done.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have to be, because it won't be like this, okay? You have to be so happy first this one. Then firstly check this, okay? Firstly check this. This one is off. Now I am coming here. So this one is false, okay? This one is false. I am giving the voltage to there, no? So this one is false. If I start this, it will start giving voltage there. Okay? If I start
What is this? How did you bring this?
No, that is another stage, bro. I will explain later, okay? So this one is controlled. Now it start applying to the voltage. Can you see the movement? It's not moving, okay? Why it's not moving? Yeah, but voltage I am giving. Here, you can see the voltage I am giving. I am giving the voltage, okay? But it's not moving. Why? Because I didn't start this.
Yeah.
I am just giving the voltage, okay? I am just giving the voltage, but I didn't start this. I didn't ask him to apply the voltage to the shake table. So it stopped already, no? So that's it. Here it's like this. Sometime it may struck, okay? Sometime it may struck. The shake table, sometime any accident may happen, no? So just, you have to come and you have to stop this, okay? You have to stop that. If you stop, do you think that the residual voltage is zero, nearly zero?
No.
Here the residual voltage is like 2.6 voltage, okay? Now I already stopped here. Now I already stopped. Yeah, I already stopped here. But still the voltage is here, 0. Because of the fast signal I stopped suddenly, no? So if you start the button,
We need to
if you start this 0, then there is a big check is there. It will damage. That's what I always tell you. Before starting, you have to check this voltage. So that's what I have one thing. Another code. File, open.
4-0 displacement, right?
No, I have the manual command, okay? Manual command of applying voltage. Hmm? Here I have manual command, okay? I have manual command. Now I make sure that I didn't start this shake table. But the voltage applying is like 2.5. So I am giving the manual command.
To make it 0.
Yes, here I am giving 0. Apply and apply. Now it's applying. Now what is the value? So now it's become 0, okay? So you can stop and see. You can stop. So here again it's become like so residual value. Okay? Now I want to show that.
Now it's fine.
Okay. Now it's a small residual value, you know. If you make sure that, then go and start here. This one is external command. I start. Here almost 0. I am starting.
What
And-
did you start?
I click start and I am waiting for 10 seconds, okay? Because don't be hurry. Because it needs some time to give power. After clicking this, I wait for 10 seconds. Then I come here. Then I plan to apply the voltage. I plan to apply the signal. Now it's fine. Now I am ready to apply now. Now I can, if I give, it will move.
Now you already start. Okay.
That's the thing. One of the main thing you want to save the shake table is whenever before you click start, you have to always check the voltage first. That's the first
In
thing.
the scope. Display
Yes. Always check the voltage first. Then after clicking start also, don't suddenly click start here. Allow some time to be ready for that, okay? After clicking start, like make it 10 seconds for this power button become green. Sometime it will take time like 10 seconds, okay? After clicking start, after clicking sometime only come.
This cannot pause, right? You need to wait until it's finished. It's done.
You can stop
You can
also.
pause too.
If an urgent situation happen, even though this one is applying the signal, okay? Even though this one is applying the signal, I think I move some.
You stop already or finished?
No, I think I.
You disconnect?
Yes. Okay. If any urgent situation, you can stop here, okay? If you don't want, you can stop here, okay? After you stop, come and check the voltage. Voltage is not 0. Then I have the manual command. Go to the manual command. I make sure that I stop already, okay? It stopped already because I am not applying any voltage. Then 0.
Then again apply 0.
Can I see the front panel of this one?
I'll give those things, okay?
When you make it 0, is it necessary to start there again?
No, don't start, okay? Don't start. This signal, bro, always signal is the major thing. You have to always make sure that what is the signal is there, always, firstly. So this is the actual signal is there now, okay? Now how much signal is there? Don't damage the shake table, okay? Whenever you click start, you have to always remember that. It will apply. If you click start and apply 0, then it suddenly it's going to 0 and it's affected. Whenever you click start, you always remember that, okay? Now I am happy there. See, you can see. Now I make it 0 also. You understand? That's the major thing. One is, whenever you click start, you have to always focus on the voltage. If you have any problems, you can stop also. Fine. Then after that, you have to make it 0 using manual command. Firstly, stop it and coming and make from the manual command.
It's not different, right? We can make the voltage zero, or we can use the manual command.
What do you mean?
Uh,
Yeah.
to
If,
make it.
if this one is not zero, if this one is not zero, sometimes the residual may be there. So better check this residual, make it zero.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
So this one also you can try. After you making also some residual is there, then shut down everything and check the ground. Second thing, just cut the wire and put the new wire. Okay, the new wire here, not new of that wire, new part of this. Okay, new part.
You
of the-
didn't show us how to cut.
And they also just cut it and put that new part there. And if you start again, you will get the good value. Okay, because we also try like that.
If this is zero, then the movement that is zero to right.
What do you mean?
This is signal before apply. This is signal before.
This is a signal, bro. This is not mean that what is the
This is not displacement.
yes.
Signal only.
For example, if this signal not zero, and then you click on the play button,
will-
it will move, right?
Very move maybe.
What I mean is like just now you suddenly stop that, and the checkable have the initial.
It's a good question. When you suddenly stop here, it will come to the zero.
Always.
Yes, always.
No need to do anything.
Yes.
Okay.
If you want to make sure, you can. If you want to more curious that, you can check that one also. You can go there. You stop already now. Just go here and enable manual command. It's already zero. This means it's in zero. If you want to make sure, make it zero again. It's a good question. He asked, after I'm it's shaking now.
Yeah, it's not.
If I
zero.
stop it, what about the displacement value? He asked.
Yeah.
If you stop, it will come to the zero initial position. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
If you want to double check, just come to the manual command and make it zero again. That's okay. That's good for your scope, no? Scope, the residual will be little bit low. Any questions other than that? This is what. So in LabVIEW, I'll explain later, bro. That's nothing, no. We can explain in our room also. Okay.
Finish.
I am so happy to see. See, you can see. I'm so happy to see 0.0005. Whenever I'm doing the shake table, I'm so happy to see this. Then I click start and wait for 10 seconds to both of them. I'm very crucial. Okay, don't be hurry. Okay, this is your. If you damage, then it's fine. Now I am coming.
Then apply your earthquake.
I am checking that maximum display. Maximum displacement is. I make sure that it's not more than 70 mm. And then I am applying the. Now it's I want to click start. No. Now you can apply the.
Okay, I think that's. Oh.
มันจะอยู่
Is there anything else?
Only the thing is LabVIEW part I will explain later. Okay.
Okay.
But other than that, all the main part I explained to you.
Now it's moving.
The two things, bro. You asking one good question. You ask me if you stop here, what will happen? If you stop here, displacement will come to zero. But if you stop here, it's not like that.
the voltage.
Yes.
Okay, I got that.
Okay. I plan to stop this. Okay now.
Okay.
So
Right.
now I don't need this. I plan to stop here. Now I stop. I click only one time and I click patiently. Then I go to the scope. If I go to the scope, still the voltage is applying. Okay. Because I am applying the voltage now. I just come and I'll stop this one also. After I stop there, it's fine.
Now voltage come, but the machine is stop itself because you put over here, right?
You are correct. Yes. Then I stop here. Now if I stop, don't affect because I already stopped now. That's good. If you stop here, that's good. If you stop here, and after then come here and stop, that's good. But after coming here and stop, voltage won't be zero. I'll go to the manual command. It's already stopped, okay? Make sure that it's already stopped. Old manual command. I'll give this all those code, okay? I'll make it 0. I apply this and I'll make it 0. Then I'll stop. Here this is nothing, okay? These buttons are nothing. Start button, these buttons are nothing. This is only for the ground. I check the voltage. I'm happy for that. Now I plan to stop it, okay? Stop the machine, okay? I plan to stop the machine. I close this. I always before stop the machine, I go to the manual command, enable manual command. I just want to make it 0, okay? All this when I stop the machine. Even though it's 0, I want to make sure that, okay? Stop it. Now, before stopping, better to turn off the water pump.
First.
Yes, it's better because it's circulating now. If you stop here, the machine will stop, but the water is flowing. So that's the proper step. You before stopping here, I just go there.
Okay, let's go there.
Here you can see the water is coming here. From using the pump, it's going to the main pump, circulating and come back here and go up and go down. Then again, I just turn on this. I just turn on.
Okay.
Don't touch here.
Okay.
You have to turn off from there.
Don't touch here.
Now, same procedure you have to do the again. Now you have to click. This is start now. You have to stop this first. Jack. For this one, I just keep for the 10 seconds. Don't be hurry. Don't damage. Okay, this cost is somewhat much higher.
1 million.
Even if we work for 1,000 years, I don't think we can earn.
Not 1,000 years.
No, even.
You can estimate 1 decade, not 1,000.
So after that 10 seconds, just click this and wait for 10 seconds like that. So one of my senior forgot to turn off the pump, okay? Then shake table is broken.
Which part broken?
He forgot to turn on the water pump. So that part is broken there. The pump is giving the power because water is not going, it's not cooling down, so it's broken. So big problem was happening. So you have to make sure that after you starting, you have to go there and start the water pump. Before you turn off, you have to go and turn off the water.
Only water first.
Yes, water, always.
Water first and...
No, because water is somewhat far away from us, no? There's a chance we may forget, that's what. So again, I am trying to close this. I am waiting.
Stepwise, 10 seconds.
I am waiting just for 10 seconds. So now click this, and click this, and click this. I wait for 10 seconds, I click. Then I click the reset button, okay, to make sure the interlock is reset. Then I'll come to the exclusive control, untick that, because I'm not controlling from here. Then I plan to close this. Do you want to really wish to quiet? Yes. Don't save the parameter, okay? Sometimes you may change the parameters, no? So don't change the parameters. Then be patient, okay? Don't close this. Here, don't close this. You have to wait until this one is properly unconnected. So you can wait for this. You can see the signal.
Wait to...
After it's properly closed, after this dialog box is properly closed, then it's allowed to, you can turn off this. Then you can turn off now. Then turn off everything.
Okay.
Now we will turn on again, and one trial we will go. Okay. I just go.
That's one B, right?
Yeah. How about PC?
Yes, you can turn on here.
How to turn on? Oh, I didn't know that.
Measuring the accelerometer is same step. Okay.
Okay.
That's you know that, no?
What is that?
Measuring the accelerometer. If you properly connected, measuring the accelerometer is a normal step. Record.
Okay. Yeah. Did you put in? Okay.
Okay, first step. What's the first step?
First step, we need to wait.
No. Change the time first.
Oh, change
Oh,
the
okay.
time.
Time first.
No, you have to click change. I think it's fine, okay, because now only we close now. That's what time is fine now. Change the time. Then second,
Second.
yes, you are correct.
Wait
You have to
till-
wait for this signal, okay? Be patient. Oh, don't click anything. You have to wait for that, okay?
Okay. Just wait.
If it take like 30 minutes and nothing here.
I think you
No,
should.
it won't be like that. So, then turn off that, okay? Then turn off.
You should call him.
No, not call him. I won't be here. You can see it's rotating, okay? Because it's checking the LAN connection is properly connected or not.
Oh,
You are
now
correct,
it's
okay?
fine.
You are correct. He's correct, okay? He's waiting for the signal from here.
Yes.
Don't click from here, okay?
Okay.
He's waiting for the signal here. But now it's directly coming to the system loader. Because now only we use now. Now only we close now. That's what.
Now we can go to the next step.
Yes, system loader we can go. But proper step is this one. Just go with the proper step.
Yeah, but this time it's not asking for the system, the controller management.
First one, you need to.
No. Now you can directly open from here, okay? You don't need to worry because now only we close this now. Now only we turn off. All the cables are there. So it has memory. So it know that I already connected with this guy. So it's ready to connect. But actually after a long time, when you connect, this guy don't know this guy. Okay? So this, you have to go with the procedure. Go with the procedure. You go with the procedure. Just go to the...
This one first, then second one.
Yes.
Third one.
That is the proper procedure, okay? That's the proper procedure.
This is already.
Wait.
As first is
This is already automatic.
But in this case, it's automation, bro. But again, click here.
but the first
You want to make sure, no? Just click here, automation. So you want to click automation. Click again. Yes. So because you won't forget. That's what. And reboot. Yes. Click. That's okay. Better to redo that. Click. Show that. Because you will definitely feel that experience soon, okay, when you are using back. So you better remember that. As he told, don't click anything, okay? Until wait for the signal, okay? Be patient, huh? Now what the guy is asking?
Now we can do the next step.
Okay, just close it. Just
Okay,
close it.
go on.
Save? No.
Yes, click save. It's fine
Okay.
because you save
It
system.
asks for the system loader.
Yes, click system loader.
Now we need to wait again.
No, this one is so fast because now it's connected now. Within 10 seconds you will get that. Here, system load is complete.
Okay.
Now it shows this message. Now it's waiting for the station manager. You can click station manager.
External.
Yes.
Need to wait again.
No need to wait.
A
This is,
little bit.
yes, little bit. Okay, let's click OK. That's fine. No, don't do anything. Come first.
Okay.
What you have to do? Just close.
What is it?
That is the details about the monitor one. But what is the measurement I need from the monitor one? That's all.
Okay.
What you have to do?
Water and pump. Water and soup.
Wait. Sure.
When did you turn off this?
And reset.
Okay, now correct.
I can turn it on, right?
No. What is the purpose step? Go to the exclusive control. Then interlock, reset. No, here.
Oh.
Don't move my hand.
And done?
Then you can start. Click.
How about water? How about water ball?
Yes,
Yeah,
after turn on. I already turn off now.
You need to turn on that one.
You have to turn on this one first, okay? Next one, what's the step?
Turn on the pump.
Yes.
Okay.
Remember the always, okay?
Okay.
There are two switches are there.
Triple switch and single switch.
Yes.
Okay.
Make sure this one is not connected to this, okay?
Okay.
This one is not connected. Just if you connect it, just remove it. Okay?
Okay.
And little bit to make sure. Then what's the next step?
Then we can
Go to manual
the
command.
scope.
No. Go to the manual command. Make it 0 first. That's your first step, okay?
I can put it 0.
Yes, make it 0 because this one is 0.07 now. Then you can make it 0.
Okay.
Then unclick the okay, click 0.
Okay.
Unclick the enable manual command. Okay. Go to the scope. Display scope. Make it big.
So sweet.
And stop. Play and show the down. What is the value? I'm so happy for now. See?
Yeah. So first
0005.
So now I'll make sure. Then you can go if it this one is before start, click the start button. You are checking this one, okay? You check it. It's fine. You are happy now. Now you can go and start. Go and start. Wait, before starting, you have to make sure that which one you need. You need manual command, external command. You need external command. You click start.
Channel 1. Okay. And start.
Click start and wait for 10 seconds. Click start. Wait for 10 seconds, okay? Then I am applying here. Okay, you can stop.
Okay.
After stopping, what you have to do? You have to stop from here, okay?
This one after you start is not.
Then after that, I stop here, okay?
Okay. After.
I stop here. Then I go there and manual command. Manual command. Okay.
050.
Make it how much? Show me how much. Okay, I'm happy. Close it.
Yeah.
So, okay, check that. What is the display one? Make it 0.
These are 0.
Already 0.
Yeah, that's okay. Just make it 0 and stop it. Yeah. Stop here. Click. Wait for 10 seconds. Okay. No, you didn't turn off the pump. Wait. Come.
You should go to turn off the pump
Yeah,
first.
that's okay. Come. You get turn off the water pump first, okay?
Okay. Are you tired?
Huh?
Tired? Can I turn off? Okay, close.
Okay.
Okay. Do not touch this.
Yeah, don't touch now.
Okay. Now you can continue with it.
Wait for 10 seconds. Okay?
Okay, already.
Then
Go to turn.
no. So click reset.
Oh.
Interlock reset. Click on exclusive control. Same thing, okay? Just close it.
Same BS door.
Don't just to click quiet. Don't save any parameter. No.
Okay.
Sometimes you may change something. Then be patient, okay? Be patient. Don't close this, okay? Because still it has connection. So now you can turn off this and turn off this. Come. And after that,
It's fine. Yes.
Then you just click reset, okay? To make sure that everything's fine. Click reset. Boom.
Done. You can like the video.
Okay.